Welcome to another One with Math video. Today's video, given ax squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0, find all values of a such that the equation has exactly one solution. For this equation, we're given a quadratic equation which will have one solution if and only if the discriminant is equal to 0. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, where b is negative 7, a is a, and c is 2. We'll substitute this in and simplify. We get 49 minus 8a is equal to 0. Add 8a to both sides to get 49 equals 8a. Then divide both sides by 8 to get a equals 49 over 8, which is our solution. As a little side note, we'll check to make sure that this is the only solution. So since this is a quadratic, we can use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And for one solution, this discriminant, this b squared minus 4ac must be equal to 0. So this quadratic formula simplifies to x equals negative b over 2a. We'll substitute in b equals negative 7 and a equals 49 over 8. Negative 7 over 2 is just positive 7 over 2. Whereas 1 divided by 49 over 8 is the same thing as multiplying by 8 over 49. Simplify this, we get x equals 4 over 7. Hence, this has one solution. But is a equals 49 over 8 the only solution? Let's check. So we checked and we found a solution for a that has exactly one solution, and that is when ax squared minus 7x plus 2 is a quadratic equation. And that only is a quadratic if a is not equal to 0. But what happens if a is equal to 0? Then we'll substitute a equals 0 in, and we'll get 0 minus 7x plus 2 equals 0, meaning negative 7x plus 2 equals 0. This is a linear equation, where we can add 7x to both sides, then divide both sides by 7 to get x equals 2 over 7. Hence, we only have one solution. So here's another solution to this problem. So this problem has two solutions, which are a equals 49 over 8, and that is when this is a quadratic equation, and a equals 0 when this is a linear equation. So here's our two solutions. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more, click on the video on screen to keep learning. Thank you.